FTC meant the opportunity to do something different, practical, which, unfortunately, is rarely met in our academic system. It meant an exploration of science through the eyes of an engineer and discovering ourselves along the way. It was about overcoming challenges that we did not expect to have and doing things we had no clue that would be in any way related to robotics. It all culminated with the first national competition, where we not only learned a lot about this field and FTC in general, but also about other teams and their development process.
We realized that at the end of the day, we all just wanted to do something with our lives and make some friends in the process, and that's why we chose to participate again last year. We think of FIRST as the definition of STEM education, a whole concept that encourages young people to surpass themselves and think outside the box. And we want to be part of this generation of innovators. We love the idea of applying what you have already learned at a theoretical level in a way that results in a complete functional robot. We think that it is really important that the children of the future get to experience education in a new, practical way, and that FTC is a step in the right direction. See you this year, and good luck to everyone.